Transfer to Ryan Little.
Are you gonna get something?
No, nothing.
Ay, perdón. $6? Yeah, you can eat that. It's gonna get stuck in there. Oh, she had this one too, right? The lady? Sis?
This one looks really weird.
This was not here though. I haven't seen it.
Mine?
No, this one. Yours, yeah. Yours, I've seen it here.
I don't like recording.
Huh?
I don't like recording.
Everybody's recording it.
Oh, wow. Oh, man. She's pretty.
Oh man, he turned around with Cinderella. I wanted to see her. See over there. Cinderella was here. That's frozen. Oh yeah, look at the one. Look at him. They're not scared to get on the bus. They're caught in the middle. Estaban allá de aquel lado. No lo sacamos, digo, porque no le dimos para allá.
No, I want to be up there.
¿Dónde está? Oh, yeah, she's right there. Hola, más lejos. I think that's where they sell those Cosmo, No, mommy. No, digo. This was a veggie burger, supposedly. Veggie. What you got?
It's raining outside already.
What you got? Salad.
Aboard the People Mover,
No.
presented by Enterprise.
I'm Monarch 5, your guide aboard this highway in the sky, the absolute best way to see Tomorrowland. And my stars, is there ever lots to see? Spacecraft to monster labs. There's really nothing like today in Tomorrowland.
What is it? Orbit? Yeah, I think it's
For your
orbit.
safety, if you have wings, jetpacks, or gravity polarizers, please
Sí, escucha. My sister wanted to get on this video and know what we got ourselves into. Mira, ya es otro. Otro turn, otro turn.
Tomorrowland Urban Planning and Star Trek. Transfer to green and red.
Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future.
See his picture.
I find
See his
two of
picture.
my favorite spots.
Picture. What? Let me see. Going.
First up, Progress City. Walt Disney's amazing dream for a community of tomorrow. Did you know Progress City inspired Epcot? And a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World.
Esos son todos de los parques
There's
de
even a
Walt Disney.
tiny people mover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny ORAC.
It's gonna go. It's going down, right?
No.
On your right is Star Traders, home to the greatest goods in the galaxy. Except actual stars. Those are no longer sold.
Oh, I get her. Look, the cars. We didn't go on there. Maya, eso lo que
Now
Oh, yeah,
approaching
those-
Tomorrowland Speedway and Tron Light Cycle Run.
I love a good circuit. And these
Yeah,
are two
look
of the
at that,
best
yeah.
tracks in the cosmos for a bit of light, speedy competition.
Where are we going?
That's beautiful. That space station.
Yeah. Maya.
attention all visitors.
Guys, it stopped. We're
It's
stuck.
all because of Biden's phone. I'm joking. No, it's not.
We're stuck on here now. Like it stopped. What happened? Look, all of them stopped.
We're gonna go in the darkness now.
Oh well, it started going again.
Vamos en la oscura.
No sé. Oh, there's another car.
Wait. We're gonna crash.
No, we're not. I think we're already gonna get off over there. I think.
Calling all space rangers. Report to
they're
your
stuck
star
over
cruiser
here,
and
right?
join me on this daring space mission. I can see you on return.
Affirmative. We're on it, Buzz. You can count on us.
Oh, this is Buzz Ride, right?
That one car ride we were on and it went down. That I never want to experience that ever again.
Oh. Mira los elefantitos. Wait, when we come back, we're gonna go around and everything. Look at the train. We didn't come on this side earlier. We should. Still in their ponchos. We're still in there. Goofy. It looks like that, so you think that you crashed it. Oh, that was kind of scary. Oh, wow. Oh, we got another one the second time. So they're good. This is pineapple, like ice cream with like pineapple juice. Is so good. I changed. I'll put this shirt on. Ooh, it's still raining. Yes, when I get away from the fireworks because it keeps raining. I don't think lo van a poner, ¿verdad? Los de esos.
You know the song
No.
3D by Jungkook?
Están dormidos esos. ¿Y ellos sí se fueron arriba esos?
Told you.
Huh?
Hollow.
It's hollow. Cinderella. Here. Suddenly.
Just one more, a few minutes, that's all. And I'm getting bugged.
I know. It's gonna be dark. People actually leave when the fireworks are, and you can see them all the way over here. The fireworks.
You're telling me that if it explodes, if it not explodes, but
Yeah.
you see the fireworks go boom.
Just got home, and I'm gonna see how my new case fits. So pretty cute. Inside out. It was this much. Like, damn. But it's cute. Cute. Oh my god, I look so ugly. You look good, girl. Guys, I look so freaking like over it. I got my Disney shirt that I got yesterday, and I just put this on and in my hair.
I was gonna wear that black one I got, honestly, but it's hot.
Yeah. But it's cute. So I got a chicken grill sandwich. I still got a salad for the first time, which I'm like,
What? That's not true. I got it like a Burger King.
yeah, but from
Yeah.
buffalo sauce, because I like that. And then I got a grill. It looks cute. But we're gonna eat that. We're gonna watch some YouTube thing, and we're gonna go in the store because I need to return my skirt that I didn't use at Disney yesterday. And that video should be up before this one, but I look like this because yeah, my head kind of hurts still because we were walking all day yesterday. Oh, it was raining a lot. I feel like it. Yeah, it rained. It rained. I wanted to stay see the fireworks, but my phone was dying. Like, I'm not gonna be able to record, so hold on, let's just go.
And we know people would rush to the end once it was gone.
Yeah, I heard that whenever like the fireworks are done, like it gets crowded to leave. So I'm like, let's just go before that. For the first time going, we even know how to leave, like, so we were kind of still lost. So we were like, yeah, let's just go, and then later, another year, we come again, and we already know. But yeah,